the Eight of Cups. This card looks dark, and it is. So now you are in like a swamp with dark clouds. You have lotuses managing to bloom in a swamp, but lotuses actually don't like swampy water. So the only way that lotuses can bloom in a swamp is when the water deep down underneath is actually free flowing. This card indicates a little bit of hope because of that, that there is some sort of clarity and awareness when you're all the way at the bottom, when everything is completely falling apart. This is a card of misery and repining. It's a card of journeying from place to place. It means you need to leave material successes for spiritual successes, which means at this point, getting what you want is not going to make it happen. It's not going to work for you. And if you keep doing it, it's going to cause more suffering, not less. So this is the card of addicts when they completely fall apart and they get sent to detox or they get sent to rehab. And that without some sort of external help, they don't know how to get out of that misery. But there's finally an awareness that they can't do it themselves and they actually do need help and they do need to bring some other people or situations to help them. So when you get this card, you've got this, the symbol of Saturn at the top and Pisces at the bottom. And so it is going to be work. It is going to be a lot of work for you to dispel your most cherished illusions and delusions. You have to kind of really listen to a deeper place of wisdom inside of you and understand that we don't always get what we want in life, that there will be hardship and struggle. What you can do is stay awake to what those choices are and to not make sometimes the situation worse. So this card is also a travel card. So it means that someone is traveling over water. So if the card is positively aspected on both sides with other positive cards, it often indicates a great trip, an adventure to Paris. It can also represent that you need to do a physical move towards water. And in most cases, it represents foggy water, such as San Francisco, Boston, someplace where there is sort of a foggy quality.